Hi, my name's Nancy at Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. So I got some fun things in the mail. So I have something from Gail Southern Living. So I got a lot of cute little butterflies on the card. I love it. Alright, so I'll open this up without ripping the card, the paper. Yeah, that doesn't really work. Alrighty, there we go. Rear container 25. And I got Gail Southern Living. What kind of seeds are these? The rainbow carrot. Oh my goodness. Okay. The Lord is really listening. So thank you for participating in the Rear Container Growing 25 collab. I appreciate your support on my channel. Sincerely, Gail, Gail Southern Living. And so she sent me rainbow carrot seeds because, you know, I was planning on buying those so that I can plant them for in the fall, because that's what I'm planning. I want a fall garden also. So I'm super excited and everything. Thank you so much, Gail, and everything. That oh man, seeds. I love seeds. So we're gonna be growing more stuff. So thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on I Treasure Home.